In what seems to be an indication of the expansion of Apple's visual suite of artificial intelligence features, reports circulating on the internet suggest that the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max are expected to embrace visual intelligence. Forming a part of Apple Intelligence, visual intelligence is said to refer to the tasks requiring computer vision reasoning needed to comprehend and bring about tasks involving visuals. The recent, yet notably impressive suite of visual AI features is so far exclusive to the highest-end Apple iPhone 16 series, and Apple seems to have exercised restraint, making it available to the runner-up iPhone 15 series, despite the presence of on-device AI processing on it. Citing a prolific tipster, it's reported that visual intelligence's integration into the iPhone 15 comes on the heels of the company figuring out a workaround to somehow instill the AI features in the recently launched iPhone 16e. Even with the lack of the camera control button, the code developer behind Markdown, a new markup language, John Gruber, claimed in a blog post that the iPhone 15 Pro models are likely to get visual intelligence features by April. Incorporated in the iOS 18.4 update, he explained that the features will be able to be invoked using the action button.